Hello traders, today I brought you the video which was much requested from your side. Means you are requesting that please share a video where we can fetch live option chain data into Excel file. So I have searched our YouTube website and I could not find any video where people are able to fetch live option chain data from new NSE website using VBA, because there are many videos available over YouTube where people are fetching data from new NSE website using cookies, but cookies has some limitations because it throws some error. NSE website doesn't allow people to use same cookies to fetch data every time, so that is the limitation of cookies. So I have created the code where we can fetch live Nifty option chain data of this expiry into Excel file. First let's see how it works. If you wanted to fetch live Nifty option chain data of this expiry, then just click here and it will fetch the data for you. That's it. Nothing else you need to do. It will do the formatting as well. Well, we are fetching lot of data. We can limit it to some data and that will take less time. If you search on the YouTube, then you will not find any video where people are able to fetch this much data using VBA code. Some people are fetching this data but they are using queries, and queries has some limitation, that's why they are getting some error. So I brought you the first video on YouTube which can fetch live option chain Nifty data. Well, I want this Excel file to be shared with lots of people, so I need your support in this. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and comment below, because if you do that, then YouTube will be showing this video to more people and will be able to help more people. In this method also there are some limitations because this fetching the data of this expiry only. So I want to improve it. I also want to make some other improvement as well as per the requirement. But in order to make this improvement, it takes a lot of time. So I have put my hard work in this. So I want you to make this video reach to 2000 likes. Then I'll be making some more improvement in this and I'll be sharing with you. And if it hits 10k likes, then I'll be sharing the same file for Bank Nifty and stocks as well. There I'll be making the changes where this data will be updated in every 10 minutes. Now let's come to the point how you can get this Excel file. So if you want to get this Excel file, then hit the like button, consider subscribing and comment below. Send that screenshot to me over this mail ID and I'll be sharing this Excel file with you. That's it guys for today's video. Keep supporting.